Hey guys, in today's Parts of Verses simple recipes, we are going to check out the chicken saltimbocca recipe. There's a fun fact. Saltimbocca is an Italian phrase which means jump into the mouth, since the chicken saltimbocca is usually very delicious. To make it, first spread the chicken on a baking tray and sprinkle salt and pepper and top it with the fresh sage leaves. Secondly, you roll the chicken with prosciutto. You can use a toothpick to hold it together. Thirdly, place the sliced lemons on the sides and bake for 25 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit or until the chicken is well cooked. Then you serve it warm. Well, that is the chicken saltimbocca recipe. You can add your own spices. All the best. For more recipes, check out partsofverses.com. Till next time.